Once we have our chicken in our air fryer, we're gonna grab a stick and a half of butter and we're gonna pour it all over our chicken. This is the quickest and easiest way to cook a whole chicken. Just need your air fryer. My air fryer is a 6-quart air fryer, and then this chicken was just 4 pounds. Okay, get all of that butter on there. Beautiful. Now for seasoning, we're gonna keep it simple and light. We have some paprika. Get it all over, stick to that butter. Don't worry, as it cooks, the seasoning will spread with that butter. Beautiful. Then it wouldn't be my dinner without some garlic powder. Ooh, that was a lot, but that's okay. We like a lot of seasoning. This is gonna be delicious. Now, of course, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. We don't wanna forget our salt. Salt makes everything better. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna do some black pepper. Now, if you don't like any of these seasonings, you can skip it on yours, but these are my favorite, which is why I'm choosing it for my recipe.
Whoa, that's a lot of pepper.
Oh yeah, it's a big chicken. Now for some fresh herbs, I have some thyme. And we can just go ahead and grab our thyme and kind of just place it around the chicken as it cooks. It will release its fumes and it will make this chicken nice and delicious. Just kind of place it here and there on our chicken so that we get a nice seasoned chicken. Okay, perfect. All right, we gotta get this cooking so that it's ready for dinner. Pop it into my air fryer. Oh, it fits perfect. All right, we're gonna turn this on. We're gonna do air fry. We want it to be 350. Perfect, and then we are gonna do it for 50 minutes, but we are gonna flip it halfway, okay? Let's set that to 50 minutes. Beautiful, and let's get this cooking. Okay, it smells so good. It's been the full 50 minutes, and remember, I flipped it halfway.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my, that looks so good. I flipped it over, remember? Okay, get this guy out. Perfect, now we're just gonna let this rest. All right, so we've let this rested. Go ahead and put it down. And I have here a large Ziploc bag. Let's go ahead and get this open.
That's a huge bag.
It's a 2.5 gallon bag.
I didn't even know that those existed.
Oh yeah. Grab our cooked chicken. And I did check the temperature, so it is gonna be nice and perfect. Just like so. All right, let's get all of that air out. Close it up. And now we are gonna go ahead and start massaging our chicken. And this is the best way to debone your chicken. You don't need to get your hands dirty. It just falls right off. That's how you know it's cooked too, is that it just falls right off the bone. Our chicken deboned. Ooh, I'm so excited. Look how much chicken
I know,
we
there's
have.
so much meat on that chicken.
Oh my goodness, and it looks all perfectly cooked. Okay, now we have our chicken ready to try. Woo. Okay, and look, those bones are already all off. Look how easy that was. All right, it's time to give this chicken a try. Let me find a good piece. Oh, a little dark meat, a little light meat.
Is it good?
So delicious, so tender, not dry. It's perfect, you guys.